My role is I'm commercial director and I'm also one of the partners. And I joined Taekwon 7 years ago already. Yeah.
And I'm a traffic controller and a project manager officer. So doing administration for projects and also do the resource planning.
Yes, I'm a team builder at Taekwon and I have a group of around 12 designers in my team with whom I discuss the projects that they're doing so that we can design products for our clients.
Yeah, so for Productive we used to have different program or different applications for every stage in the funnel. So we used to have a different CRM program and then another program for invoicing and another program for the project management stuff.
Yeah, the tool that we used before only showed like how many hours someone was working, and now you can really dive into all the details about a project. So how many hours are available, what budget is available, can we move some hours around if that is needed for a project.
Yeah, I'm really a fan of lists and having an overview as a planner because you're really busy with making the puzzle.
A lot of information got lost during that process. So Productive really helps us to have one source of truth where all the information is stored in one environment from A to Z.
In Productive, it really helps me to make that puzzle and it makes a joy to plan. We have a weekly review about the insights. So once a week we have a look at how billable every person is and how we can improve it. Also we have a look at the budget per project, how the budget is, if we don't go over budget and what we can do about it.
And also from my role as team builder, being able to view what projects my team is working on because they are all working for different clients. And sometimes it also happens that they work on several projects and then we want to schedule them as efficiently as possible. And Productive provides a clear overview of that.
It's easier to do resource planning with Productive than it was before.
Well, the most important thing is that I can trust the system. So before I had Productive, I used to, I don't know, and then I looked at the data, I was like, nah, maybe this is not completely the truth. So then I opened Excel and then I made an export of the data and I changed a few numbers myself to really trust the things that I was seeing. So now with Productive, doesn't matter, like any feature from billing to the schedule to a forecast, and I know that what I see is the truth.